Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best EF mount zoom lenses that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a professional photographer, a filmmaker, or just someone looking to upgrade their gear, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the EF/EFS 420 to 800mm f8.3 telephoto zoom lens from Lightdow. This lens is a fully manual telephoto zoom lens, which makes it particularly appealing to photographers who want precision control and creative freedom. With an impressive 420 to 800mm focal length, it's perfect for capturing subjects at extreme distances, such as wildlife, the moon, or distant landscapes. However, the lack of autofocus and its slow aperture of f8.3 to 16 mean this lens is better suited for specific use cases rather than general photography. The design is lightweight for a telephoto lens, weighing just 1.76 pounds, and it's built with durability in mind. The manual focus ring is large and smooth, allowing for precise adjustments. However, being fully manual means that you'll need to switch your camera to manual mode to avoid errors. And the aperture automatically adjusts based on the focal length, which may not suit all users. Performance-wise, the lens does a good job of minimizing aberrations and flare, thanks to its UMC technology. However, the sharpness can be inconsistent compared to higher-end options. This lens is ideal for hobbyist photographers who want to dip their toes into telephoto photography without breaking the bank. Pros include its affordable price point and extreme reach, while cons are its lack of autofocus and slow aperture, which can limit its versatility. Taking the third spot is the Sirui 28 to 85mm t3.2 full-frame parfocal zoom Cine lens. This lens is designed specifically for filmmakers, offering a parfocal design that keeps the subject in focus even as you zoom. Covering a versatile 28 to 85mm range with a constant t3.2 aperture, it's perfect for a wide range of cinematic applications, from wide-angle establishing shots to medium telephoto close-ups. The build quality is exceptional, with an all-metal construction that feels premium and durable. At 2.5 kilograms, it's hefty but well-balanced, and it comes with a custom hard case for added protection. Features like a stepless aperture ring and an impressive 259-degree focus throw make this lens a dream for cinematographers, allowing for precise exposure and focus control. The 11-blade diaphragm delivers smooth, cinematic bokeh, and the lens is capable of 8K resolution, ensuring stunningly sharp and detailed footage. This lens truly shines in controlled environments where manual focus is preferred, such as film sets or studio shoots. However, its weight and lack of autofocus make it less practical for run and gun shooting. Pros include its parfocal design, 8K sharpness, and Cine-specific features, while cons are its high price tag and manual operation, which may not suit all users. In second place, we have the Canon EF 24 to 105mm f4L IS/USM zoom lens. This L-series lens is a fantastic all-rounder, offering a versatile 24 to 105mm focal length range that's perfect for landscapes, portraits, and even event photography. The constant f4 aperture, while not as fast as f2.8, ensures consistent exposure throughout the zoom range, and the optical image stabilization, OIS, helps to minimize camera shake for sharp handheld shots. Build quality is what you'd expect from Canon's professional lineup: solid, weather-sealed, and ready to withstand challenging shooting conditions. The lens features 4 aspherical elements and air sphere coating to reduce chromatic aberrations and flare, while the rounded 10-blade diaphragm provides smooth bokeh. The ring-type ultrasonic motor, USM, ensures quick and silent autofocus, and the zoom lock switch is a nice touch for preventing zoom creep during transport. Performance-wise, this lens delivers excellent sharpness and contrast, although the f4 aperture may struggle in low-light conditions compared to faster lenses. It's an excellent choice for photographers who need one lens to handle a wide range of scenarios. Pros include its versatility, durable build, and image stabilization, while cons are its f4 aperture and higher price compared to non-L series lenses. Finally, at the number 1 spot, we have the Sigma 24-105 f4 EF mount zoom lens. This lens is part of Sigma's renowned art series, which is known for delivering exceptional optical quality. With a 24-105 mm focal length and a constant f4 aperture, it's a direct competitor to Canon's 24-105 mm lens, but comes in at a slightly higher price point. It's ideal for photographers and videographers who want a high-quality, versatile lens without stepping into the realm of ultra-premium lenses. The build quality is fantastic, with a sleek, modern design and a durable construction that feels solid in hand. The lens employs Sigma's optical stabilizer, OS, for reducing camera shake, and the hypersonic motor, HSM, ensures fast and accurate autofocus. The 9-blade diaphragm creates pleasing background blur, and the lens delivers impressive sharpness even at the edges, making it an excellent choice for professional work. Performance-wise, the Sigma 24-105 excels across all focal lengths, providing sharp, vibrant images with minimal distortion. It's also highly versatile, making it a great choice for everything from studio photography to travel and event shooting. Pros include outstanding image quality, robust build, and effective stabilization, while cons are its weight and slightly higher price compared to similar lenses. Making it an excellent choice for professional work. Number 1 spot, we have the Sigma 24-105 f4 EF mount zoom lens. This lens is part of Sigma's renowned art series, which is known for delivering exceptional optical quality. With a 24-105 mm focal length and a constant f4 aperture, it's a direct competitor to Canon's 24-105 mm lens. Overall, this lens is the top pick for those seeking a premium EF mount zoom lens. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these lenses, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy shooting.